I will talk about the word of two. Yes, two with with uh, two number two o number two of o. So something like this two. Okay, we can see in this article. So we have some example from Collins Dictionary. Maybe if you want to learn about example, if you want to learn words from some example, you can visit this website. From to, we have something like this. Me too. We did learn to read. Kita sudah belajar untuk membaca and quickly too. Dan cepat juga, secara cepat juga. That's money's man. Itu uang milikku. Of course it is. And quite right too. Oh, excuse me, I so think so too. Oke, mungkin kita bisa cari arti dari to kalau di bahasa Indonesia. Itu have meaning terlalu atau uh, kalau diartikan dari secara arti general mungkin ini menandakan bahwa sesuatu itu terlalu berlebihan ya, terlalu banyak, iya terlalu ya. Contohnya adalah it's too expensive. It is too expensive. Itu terlalu mahal. It's too expensive. Too much, too many. Too much, terlalu banyak. Too many, terlalu banyak. Oke, he eats too much. Dia makan terlalu banyak. Contoh lain mungkin di luar dari teks ini adalah uh, the weather today is too warm. It's too hot. The weather today, cuaca hari ini terlalu panas. It's too hot. It's too hot. Me too. Saya juga. Nah ini kalau tuh yang tadi digunakan untuk sifatnya adalah terlalu, ada juga yang kayak ini. Me too. Juga. Ya. Me too. Juga artinya adalah ngati means coming to. Atau enggak misalnya Iksan will become to. Ya Iksan akan datang juga. Will become to. Contohnya lagi mungkin di sini she was eating too much. Ya, dia telah makan terlalu banyak too much and having dan mempunyai too many late nights. I've come aku datang to see Miss Ridley. Dan kemudian I'm afraid dan saya takut you are too late. You are too. Nah, arti di sini adalah juga ya. Then I am afraid dan saya takut kamu kamu terlambat juga, Sarah. Gitu. Americans are never too keen to leave their beloved country. I wasn't too. Aku tidak. I wasn't. Ini isn't it, isn't it ya. Tapi dia past tense wasn't too happy. Kalau tuh di sini adalah terlalu ya, atau aku tidak terlalu senang dengan what I've written so far. He won, dia tidak mau, he won't be, dia tidak mau, tidak ingin menjadi, he won't be too pleased, terlalu dipuja, to see you. What is pleased? Pleased, pleased, pleased mean senang, senang puas hati. Pleased to see you. I'll try and get you okay. I have too many things to do. I have, aku punya too many things, terlalu banyak untuk dilakukan. I have too many things to do. I have too many things to work. Ada lagi adalah yet it remains too little known in this country. Later I will talk about yet. What is the I'm sorry, correlation? What is a relation about yet and not yet? We are not too bad, so it will be a nice game. We are not, kita kita tidak kita tidak terlalu jelek. We are not too bad, so it will be. Jadi itu akan menjadi. It will be a nice game. Akan menjadi game yang bagus. You are too flat to think about slump. Kamu you are too kamu terlalu datar to think about slime untuk berpikir tentang slime. That mean it might not be too bad. Might, yeah, too right, more better. Things just came a little too soon. But there is very bad news too. The young man who had too much too young and nearly drew. They are thinking too much and playing too slowly. What is perhaps? Yesterday I learned about perhaps, but right now uh, I suddenly forgot. Perhaps mungkin boleh jadi mudah-mudahan maybe perhaps I think have synonym to maybe possibly presumable. Surely they have human rights too. Oh, di sini adalah juga ya, karena dia di akhir dari sentence atau kalimat. Our bad moment was too long. Sudah terlalu lama. They are too nervous. Mereka terlalu nervous sebelum the ceremony, sebelum upacara, dan terlalu sibuk setelahnya. Untuk busy after. Too many to know. Too many to know. Terlalu banyak untuk diketahui by name and face. Too bad. Terlalu buruk. Probably, mungkin, atau perhaps. Perhaps itu, oh enggak ya, mungkin ya, perhaps. I should have been frank. Mungkin aku harus, perhaps, mungkin, probably, dia akan, oh juga. Too bad there was my usual diet. How on earth was I going to look after a dog? But he thrived after his fashion. Okay, we can see with another. She is too tired. She is too tired. She is adalah dia bukan past tense. Kalau past tense adalah she was too. She was too tired too. The coffee is too hot. Coffee terlalu panas. To drink right now, untuk diminum saat ini. The music was too loud at the concert. The movie was too long for my liking. She is too shy. Dia perempuan terlalu malu, terlalu malu untuk to speak in public, untuk berbicara di publik. He is too young. Dia terlalu muda to drive a car, untuk mengendarai mobil. Okay, for sentence window. The word to has two main meanings. First is also, and second is excessively. I think excessively itu adalah kayak melebihi batas atau melebihi dari yang biasanya. Atau dalam arti bahasa Indonesia mungkin terlalu gitu ya. To can be used to mean also to add something to a previous statement. So to juga bisa digunakan untuk mereplace also. It is usually placed at the end of the clause or the sentence. Jadi biasanya kalau to itu digunakan pada sebuah sentence di akhir, maka kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa itu digunakan untuk like-nya juga. Ya, for example, I'm going to the store. Aku pergi ke store. Store mean toko. And you are too. Dan kamu juga. You are, you are too. You are too. I like to read books. Aku menyukai, aku suka membaca buku. Another example is he is tall and she is tall.